Not only does Pneumat Systems sell the bin cleaning equipment, we offer a wide variety of accessories, replacement parts to enhance your cleaning experience, giving you the opportunity to tackle any scenario that may arise. Depending on your needs at your facility, booms can be ordered at different lengths from Pneumat Systems. All of our booms are telescoping, ranging from 4 to 7 feet all the way up to 28 feet, giving you the ability to reach the entire circumference of the inside of the silo. Pneumat offers a number of cleaning whip sets depending on what material you will be working in your facility. From our standard non-sparking whips and our star knuckle non-sparking whips, all the way to our bronze chain, which is used in a little bit harder material and again, non-sparking in volatile environments, to our steel chain aggressive style knuckles used in non-flammable, non-explosive environments. Another accessory you can purchase from Pneumat Systems is an oil filter, which goes on your power unit and needs to be replaced when your hydraulic fluid is replaced. We also have food grade hydraulic fluid that we use in our power units, along with the seals for the dual impact BinWhip head. Everything you may need for the ultimate bin cleaning experience can be ordered from Pneumat Systems and found in the BinWhip manual.